neighbor's shop. We are just adjacent to each other. Anajita the gentleman's closet. Wanaume, mkuje huku mjibambe. Now Rachel, I just have a question. But this is see, you're selling stuff like clothes, and of course you're concentrate na men.
Yeah.
But you know what? Considering what we do, our main business is decluttering. Now the source of clutter in most homes ni manguo. Na ndizo unauza. Maybe I just want to ask you, what are some of the challenges that maybe umeona na wanaume? Are they overbiased? Because we tend to deal with a lot of clutter for men, and men, you know, are generally born hoarders.
Yes.
They don't want to let go. What do you see? What is the kind of trend that you have seen over the years that you've been selling clothes for men, and of course dressing men and bringing fashion to them? What wanafanya aje? Like, are they overbiased? Do they buy even things they don't need? Because we have a problem on the other side now. Yeah. What is umeonaje?
Wanaume ndio the best.
They are buyers.
Kabisa.
They are shoppers.
Yes. Wako sawa kabisa. Bora umeleta kitu quality. Wako sawa.
Akipenda anachukua.
Akipenda amependa.
Hataki kujua kama ako nayo.
Hata bora ni kitu quality. Hata bagini ati nini pesa.
Yes. Yeah, anataka akae vizuri. Na ukweli wanakaa vizuri. By the way, I see them dressing here. Na wewe unajua kuwamachisha. Ukishamwangushia anaisha sahau ako. Unampea ka blue shirt ashasahau kuna ka blue shirt kako home.
Sasa wanadunga vibaya sana. Sana.
Na sio tu nguo, inaenda kwa kiatu na mshipi.
Kila kitu.
Amazing. So is that with casual clothes? Ama pia official na kila kitu. Hakuna ati ile specific. Na kama hapendi.
Kama hataki.
So the decision is whether I like it.
Na ni bora ni kwa kitu mzuri.
Now for us, when we want you on this other side to declutter, we propose decluttering, or we give it as an option. Our main, what we look at is tunakwambia ujiulize oratha. Do you think this shoe, tupate tuseme uko na hii shoe, na upate maybe hii shoe uko na kama pia 3 za hii color. But the question is, do you like it? If yes, do you use it? Utasikia, I like it, but I rarely wear it. Sasa wao wakienda wamezieka pale, sijui whether they admire seeing them put together, ama ni utapata ako na hii na hii, the same color ya hii ako na hii, just a little bit of design pale mbele, especially for men who are in the office. Sana we get that. Men who are working, watu wa ofisi wanangara, you know, kasuti na kanini. We get that a lot. Are we taking this trend to our children? Because you have a child. Unaona ni trends gani zenye maybe anachukua? Like mkienda kubai nguo utaona maybe anachukua ama ako zile za like, will that child tell you, mommy, you know, I have this.
I have reason by your age kwanza. Reason by.
If you buy hata. So guys, I'm just seeing this issue being moved from this generation to this generation, and the main problem that we want to solve in our houses, we are the source of that problem. So solving the problem becomes quite hard unless we accept the problem and then we start dealing. I'm not saying you don't shop. I'm only saying shop, but also take out. You know, if you've decided I'm doing these jeans because the other jeans faded, then take out the faded jeans and get what you really need. Don't keep the faded jeans ati nitakuwa naenda na hii garage. Na wewe ni mse, unajua hata hiyo garage ukienda, as long as you're jumping into your car, you will definitely not wear the faded jeans because you don't want to be seen with it. So let's be people who appreciate to take out, tukue tunakubali ku take out so that we can bring in. Yeah, you can buy 2, take out 3. That way we don't fill our closets. Hatutajaza closets zetu, you know, like tumejaza manguo, na at the time we need to wear those clothes, we don't find them because our closets are full. That is a story from Rachel here at Milestone Business Center. She sells men outfits. She'll dress you to kill. Please visit her shop. It's just next to our shop and see what she has to offer. But then again, remember to declutter. Until next time, it's Faith the Organizer.